In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Outlook Address Book. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few tips to make the process quick and tidy. I'm demonstrating this in the web version of Outlook, so open your preferred browser and sign into your Outlook account before we begin. Start by opening Outlook in your browser. Once your mailbox loads, look for the People icon. In the Outlook web interface, this icon usually appears along the left side or in the app launcher bar and looks like a pair of silhouettes. Clicking it switches you from your inbox to your address book view, which is where all your saved contacts live. If you don't see it right away, expand the app rail or resize your window. Sometimes a smaller window hides icons under a More option. With the People page open, use the search bar at the top to find the contact you want to remove. Type part of the person's name, company, or email address to narrow the list. Be sure you're selecting an actual contact card and not just a recent recipient suggestion. Recent suggestions are generated from your mailbox activity, while true contacts sit in your address book and have a full profile card you can open. When you see the contact, either click their name to open the card or hover and select the checkbox next to it. Selecting the checkbox is handy if you want to remove more than one contact at once. You can check several cards before you proceed. If you open the card instead, you'll still have access to the same actions in the toolbar, so choose whichever view you prefer. Next, look for the Delete option in the navigation or action bar. It may appear as a trash can icon labeled Delete. Click it and Outlook will ask you to confirm. This safeguard prevents accidental removals. Click Delete again to finalize. The contact is now removed from your Outlook address book. Keep in mind, deleting a contact does not erase past emails or calendar invites. It only removes the saved contact entry. Also, if the entry came from a connected directory or an external account you don't control, you might not see a delete option. In that case, remove it at the source or disconnect that directory. That's all there is to it. Open People, search, select, delete, and confirm. If you plan to clean up multiple entries, repeat the process or use the checkboxes to select several before deleting. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay any section while you tidy your address book.